students. So in the previous lecture I have derived the section formula. Today we will do some questions based on it. Okay, see exercise 7.2 question number 1. We have to find the coordinates of point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio of 2:3. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें उस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करने हैं जो इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने वाले लाइन सेगमेंट को 2:3 के रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है। ऐसी suppose these are the 2 points. Say this is A, whose coordinates are -1, 7, and this one, let it be B, its coordinate is 4, -3. Now we need to find the coordinates of point. So suppose our point is P, whose coordinates are say x, y. Okay, and what we are given, the ratio is 2:3. Fine. Now these are the things which are given to us. We will start our solution. Okay, what we have assumed, let be x, y be the required point. Now from section formula, that day we have derived section formula. What is formula for x coordinate? It is m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n. Okay, where x1 x2 are the coordinates, these are x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, what we have, this is our x1 y1 and this is our x2 y2, and this is the ratio 2:3. So this 2 will become n and this 3 will become n. Now the y coordinate will be m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Okay, now see this x, what is m? M is 2, so 2 into x2 is 4. Now n, what is n? Is 3, and x1 we have minus of 1, and then m plus n, so 2 plus 3, and similarly y, m is 2. Now see y2 is minus of 3, so instead of y2 I will write -3 plus n is 3 and value of y1 is 7, so 7. Now m plus n is 2 plus 3. Okay. So the x coordinate will be 2 4 is 8 and -3 upon 5. 2 into -3 is -6 and 7 into 3 is 21, so 21 upon 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 by 5 will be 1, and -6 plus 21 is 15. So 15 by 5, it will be 3. So what will be the coordinates? Therefore coordinates of point will be 1, 3. ठीक है, तो जो हमें कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिलेंगे वो क्या होंगे 1,3. So now see question number 2. Find coordinates of point of trisection of line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Now see what is trisection. Trisection means in 3 equal parts. Okay. So if there are 3 equal parts, I will show you the demonstration. Suppose these are 2 points. Say this is 4 -1 and the second one is -2, -3. Now we need to coordinates of point of trisection. What do you mean by trisection? Trisection means 3 equal parts. So suppose I have taken 2 more points. Suppose this is C and this is D. Now see, trisection, that means 3 equal sections or 3 equal parts. Okay. Now what we need to find? We need to find the coordinates of these points. Okay. First C, second D. पहले हमें C के coordinates निकालने हैं. Then we need to find the coordinates of D. Okay. Now suppose these are equal. So let there be 1, 1, 1. This is only for understanding. Okay. Now this CB 1 plus 1 2. So what will be the ratio of AC by CB? See, this AC is 1 and CB is 1 plus 1 2. Okay, so AC by CB, the ratio will be 1:2. Okay. Okay, what I have assumed, let's see x comma y. See, don't get confused. Here I have used small x and small y, and here I have used capital X and capital Y. Okay, so these C points coordinates I have assumed is x comma y, and D points coordinates is x comma y, where the D has capital X, capital Y. Okay, now what C is doing, it divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Okay, see, AC by CB is 1/2. Simple. So ratio is 1:2. Therefore, what will be the x coordinate? See, according to formula, what is the formula? For x is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. What is the ratio? M is 1, n is 2. Okay, and these are my x1 by 1 and these are x2 by 2. Okay, so just put down the values in the formula. Mx2, what is m? Is 1, and the value of x2 is minus of 2, plus nx1, the value of n is 2 and that of x1 is 4 by m plus n, so 1 plus 2. Similarly for y we can write, okay, m is 1. Now see what is y2 is -3. So instead of y2 I can write -3, n is 2 and y1, value of y1 is minus of 1. So minus of 1, then m plus n, m is 1, n is 2. So 1 plus 2. Okay, what I will get? X minus 2, 4 2 is 8 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Y minus 3 minus 2 upon 3. So x will be 6 by 3, which will be 2, and y will be minus 3 minus 2 is minus of 5, and this is 3. So the coordinates of C will be 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now the question has not been completed. Now we also have to find the coordinates of D. So what we will do? Now see, when we will talk about D, this ratio AD will be 2 and that of DB will be 1. So AD by DB. See, here I have written AC by CB because we are talking about C. Okay. So here AD by DB will be 2 by 1. Okay. The ratio is 2:1. So we can do the same process that we have done there. What? This point D divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So therefore, this time capital X. Okay, now what is M? Is 2 and x1, sorry, x2 is minus of 2, n is 1 and x1 is 4, n plus 1, so 2 plus 1. What about y? M is 2. Now y2 is minus of 3. Okay. N is 1 and y1 is minus of 1. 2 plus 1. What will be x? It's minus 4 plus 4 by 3, and y minus 6 minus 1 by 3. See, minus 4 plus 4 0, and this y will be minus of 7 by 3. Okay, so therefore coordinates of D will be 0 and minus of 7 by 3. Okay, now exercise 7.2, question number 5. Find ratio in which line segment joining A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinates of point of division. So in this question we have to find the ratio as well as the coordinates. Okay, now without ratio, how can we find the coordinates? Okay. This is the problem, but one thing we are given is divided by x-axis. So x-axis, that means y coordinate will be 0. So through this hint we can find out the ratio. Okay, see, are the points 1, minus 5? Suppose this is point A, which is 1, minus of 5, and the second is minus of 4, 5. So this is the line segment. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the ratio in which line segment is divided by x-axis. That means we have to find this ratio. Okay. Fine. And we also need to find the coordinates of this point. Now see, when we will talk about the coordinate, since this is x-axis, and we know that on x-axis the y coordinate is always 0. So just let the coordinates be x, 0. Okay. Let's start. What I have assumed, let the ratio be k is to 1. Okay. What? This is k and this is 1. Okay. Why 1? Why not m is to n? Because when we will consider m is to n, okay, so we will get two variables and equation is only one, so it will be difficult for us to solve. So what we do, we just assume one variable. Let the ratio be k is to 1. Now, what we are given, that the point is on x-axis, therefore y will be 0. Now, what is y according to section formula? Is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay. Now see, this y is 0. Ratio we have assumed k is to 1. So m will be k and n will be 1. Okay. हमने जो रेशियो माना है वो क्या माना है, k is to 1, और इन जनरल रेशियो क्या होता है, m is to n. तो m के बदले हम क्या लिखेंगे, k, और n के बदले क्या लिखेंगे, 1. दूसरी चीज y2 y1 हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है. ये सपोज हमारे x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, so y1 y2 की वैल्यू भी हमारे पास है. So instead of m we will write k. Value of y2 is minus of 5. Instead of n, 1. Value of y1 is 5. So write 5. Now m plus n will be k plus 1. This k plus 1 when multiplied by 0 becomes 0. Okay. And this becomes minus 5k plus 5. Bring this minus of 5k here. So what we will get, minus of 5k is equal to 5. Okay. Sorry. This negative when comes here becomes positive. Now, what will be the value of k is 1. What we have assumed, the ratio is k is to 1. Therefore, ratio will be, instead of k I will write 1 because I have obtained the value of k is 1. Now, also we have to find the value of x. Okay, need to find the coordinates. This one is 0, so no need to find, but we have to find the x. What is x? X is mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n. Now we know the ratio. Ratio is 1:1. So instead of m, we can write 1, and instead of n also we can write 1. Now see, what will be x? 1. What is x2? Is 1. And x1 is minus of 4. 1 plus. So 1 minus 4 by 2, which will be minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now I have value of x. I know y is 0. Therefore, what will be the coordinates of point? Coordinates of point will be x is minus 3 by 2 and y is 0. Okay, so question number 8, we are given 2 points a minus 2 minus 2, b 2 comma minus 4. The second condition given is AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB, and the third condition is P lies on AB. So we need to find the coordinates of P. So from given condition, let us plot this equation. Okay, suppose this is line segment AB. We are clearly given that P lies on AB. So P is somewhere here. Now the coordinates of A minus 2 minus 2. Coordinates of B 2 minus of 4. Okay. Now coordinates of P unknown, that will be x comma y. Okay. What is given now? AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. Okay, I can write AP upon AB is equal to 3 by 7. Now see, this AP upon AB, that means as a whole. What is this? This is 3 and this is 7. Okay, now for this P, okay, I need to find the ratio of PA by PB. I have PA, which is 3, and PB. Now see PB. I need to find PB. This PB can be written as AB minus PA. So which will be 7 minus 3. Okay. This complete is 7. This is 3. So I can find PB. So therefore the ratio which we have now, PA by PB, is 3:4. What we need to find? Now we have m and n. We have x1 y1. We have x2 y2. We can easily find coordinates of P. So therefore, what will be x? X is mx2 plus n x1 by m plus n. Okay, so what is m? 3. X2 is 2. N is 4. And x1 is minus of 2. M plus n, that means 3 plus 4. Similarly for y, m is 3. What is y2? Y2 is minus of 4. N is 4 and y1 is minus of 2. So So I can write minus 2 here. Again m plus n is 3 plus 4. What I will get? X is 6. See, 3 into 2, 6. And 4 into minus 2 is minus of 8. So minus 8 by 7. And what will be y? So 3 into minus 4, minus 12. 4 into minus 2, minus of 8 by 7. What I will get? 6 minus 8, minus 2. And minus 12 minus 8 is minus of 20. So minus of 20 by 7. So therefore, coordinates of P will be x is minus 2 by 7 and y is minus of 20 by 7. Okay, see one more question. If x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are coordinates of vertices of triangle, we have to prove that the coordinates of coordinates of centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. So before starting, what is this centroid? Okay. Centroid is meeting point of medians. Now what is this median? Okay. सेंट्रोइड क्या होता है? जितने भी मीडियन होते हैं, 3 मीडियन होते हैं, उनका जो मीटिंग पॉइंट है उसको हम बोलते हैं सेंट्रोइड. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस मीडियन? मीडियन को समझें. मीडियन इज सिंपल a line that joins the vertex. Okay, that joins the vertex and divides the opposite side, okay, into two equal parts. मीडियन क्या है? एक ऐसी लाइन जो वर्टेक्स से निकलती है और सामने वाला जो साइड है उसको दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि सामने वाले साइड पर ये जो होगा इस पूरे लाइन सेगमेंट का मिड पॉइंट होगा. ओके, so this is what the median is. Now come to the question. What we have given the vertices and its coordinates. Suppose this is my triangle, say ABC, okay, and its coordinates, right? This be x1 y1, this be x2 y2, and this be x3 y3. What we have to prove? That the coordinates of centroid. For centroid we need to draw the medians. Okay, so let us draw medians. So this is the centroid. We need to find the coordinates of this centroid. Now suppose these are my medians. Okay, I have told you. Okay. Before this, just a note. Suppose this is line. These are x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay. We can directly write or we can derive also using section formula. Now suppose and say this is P. Okay, so if this P is midpoint, so what will be the coordinates of this P? See, this is midpoint, simply the ratio will be 1 1. Okay, now x m into x x2 plus n into x1 by n plus n. So what will be x is x1 plus x2 by 2, and similarly y will be y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so if there is midpoint, the coordinate simple will be the sum of x coordinates by 2, and for y it will be the sum of y coordinates by 2. Okay, now coming to this, see, I have d. So what will be the coordinates of d? Here it is x2, here it is x3. So x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2. Okay, coordinates of E. Now see, E is the midpoint of this A and C, so it will be simple x1 plus x3 by 2, and for y it will be y1 plus y3 by 2. And the coordinates of F is midpoint of AB. So simple sum is x1 plus x2 by 2, and that for y is y1 plus y2 by 2. Now we have to remember one thing for solving this question. Okay, what is that thing? That centroid divides median in ratio of 2:1. Okay, this is the main point of the question. What is that? The centroid divides median in the ratio of 2:1. See, this is my centroid and this is median. Okay, so what will be the ratio? 2:1. What I can write? The GA by GD will be 2:1. Okay, from this corollary GA by GD will be 2:1. ठीक है, ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है। जो सेंट्रॉइड है वो मीडियन को 2:1 के रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है, जिसके कारण हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? GA by GD क्या मिलेगा हमें? 2/1. ओके, नाउ therefore x coordinate of G from section formula, according to section formula, it should be mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n. Okay, so what is 2? This m is 2. Instead of m we can write 2, and x2 is x2 plus x3 by 2. So this one, instead of x2, what I can write? x2 plus x3 by 2, because this is x1 by 1 and we are talking about d. So this will be x2 as a whole. So instead of x2 I can write x2 plus x3 by 2. This 2 gets cancelled. Now value of n is 1. Okay, and by n, so n is 1, and instead of x1 we have x1 only. Good value of m plus n here also, 2 plus 1. What we get is x2 plus x3 plus x1 by 3. This only we have to do. Okay, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So x coordinate we have proved. Now what will be y coordinate? Will be my2 plus my1 by m plus n, as we have done for x. Similarly we can do for y also. Instead of y2, what I can write is y2 plus y3 by 2. m is 2, and instead of y2 the coordinate is y2 plus y3 by 2. 2 being cancelled again. n is 1 and value of y1 is y1 only, and this is 2 plus 1. So what we get? Y2 plus y3 plus y1 by 2. This only we have to do.